What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Polygon as well as Ethereum. It's shooting up to our wave 5 target, sitting at 95 cents. In a previous video, we talked about Matic potentially going to $1 before seeing a correction. That's exactly what's happened. We're up 7% on the day. We're seeing a market cap 8.71 billion, 25 volume 1.26 billion. So if we look at the chart, drop this in the Discord, the wave 5 target zone, we're already very close. It can end at any time. If we do push a little bit higher, then look for a rejection in between 99 cents and $1.05. We do have a bearish divergence on the hourly, so do keep that in mind. We could roll over at any point here. We're super overextended. We've just absolutely gone parabolic. We'd love to see it, but we are pushing up to that resistance here. As you can see, we have resistance in between 94 and that 90-cent range where we're currently hitting. And our next major resistance is up at $1 all the way up to about 106. So do watch for that if we do continue to push up for a rejection between $1 and about $1.06. Pullback would be healthy relatively soon to come back down to the EMAs and give us our next long trade opportunity. Signal will be given in the Discord. Taking a look at Ethereum, we are looking for one more wave up. Currently sitting in that wave 4 pullback zone. If we were to come down and break 1996, which is a 50% retracement, then that would make the 4 less likely and we could correct from here. But as you can see, we've come all the way up to TP3 in our trade. Signal was given in the Discord. That was a juicy profit of 23%. I've already locked in 80% profits. And if we push up in that wave 5, I'll most likely take full profits on that trade before seeing that larger pullback, which will give us our next trade opportunity. Taking a look at the daily chart, as you can see, we broke out of the massive ascending triangle, so just coming back down for a little retest. So if we can consolidate and allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles, of course, we can see that bounce to push up in that higher high. So that's what I'm looking at for Matic and Ethereum. We have done everything we need to complete this impulse. But if we do push a little bit higher, then look for our target zone in between 99 cents and 105. Of course, it can overextend. And ETH, same thing, looking for that higher high, but there is the opportunity, there is the chance that we do roll over. If the 50% breaks, I'll give more confirmation. And if we do push up, then our target zone is in between 2182 and about 2236 for that wave 5 before a potential larger correction. That's what I'm looking at. My signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. For my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange, all around the world, no KYC, no VPN. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My Discord is $10 a month for my trade signals, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, some of them are absolutely crushing it. Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're just looking to take entry on silver. I'm already in silver actually. Looking to get into gold. We crush it on US oil. We're in one more trade in Forex. So not only crypto, but as well as Forex. $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Please do check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And see you in the next one. Subscribe if you're new. Take care.